Microsoft Project Plan is a powerful tool for planning, scheduling, and managing projects. Here's a simple guide on how to use it. Create a new project. Open Microsoft Project. Start by opening Microsoft Project and selecting New Project. You can choose a blank project or use a template. Enter project information. Go to Project Information to set the project start date, working times, and calendar. Add tasks. Task list. Enter tasks in the task name column. Each row represents a separate task. Set durations. Add task durations in the duration column. You can also set start and end dates. Create dependencies. Link tasks. To create dependencies, select two tasks and click the Link Tasks button in the toolbar. This defines relationships between tasks like finish to start. Assign resources. Add resources. Go to View Resource Sheet to add resources. Assign them by selecting the task and adding the resource in the resource name column. Track progress. Update progress. You can track task completion by updating the percentage complete field. Use the Task tab to mark tasks as started or completed. View reports. Generate reports. Go to Report, Dashboards, or In Progress to view predefined reports and monitor progress.